Hello guys, so in this video I'll be showing you how you can check the battery health of your MacBook, so let's get right to it. So as you can see, I'm on my MacBook now, and in this video I'll not be showing you one but two ways in which you can check the battery health of your MacBook. So these apps are already pre-installed onto your device, so you don't need to install anything else. And these apps are the System Settings app and the System Information app. So to get started, we're going to launch the System Settings app, which we can find by either going down here to our dock. Mine is right here, and that opens up System Settings. Otherwise, we can go here to the Launchpad and find System Settings, or we can use Spotlight Search and open System Settings, and that opens up. Or the simplest way is just to go up here to the Apple logo and go down to System Settings. Now here it's quite simple. There's these tabs. We've got one for Wi-Fi, one for Bluetooth, notifications, general, appearance, battery. Battery is what we're looking for. So we're going to click on battery, and here it shows if your laptop is in low power mode, the battery health, and how it's been charged either in the last 24 hours or in the last 10 days. However, since we want to check the battery health, we're going to go to this information point icon here, and we're going to click on that. And here it shows the battery condition, the maximum capacity, and if optimized battery charging is on. Now, if you don't know what optimized battery charging is, it's basically a setting, which it also says right here, is to reduce battery aging. And so, as it says here, it waits to finish charging past 80% until you need to use it on battery. And although that may not be very clear, it basically does not charge your MacBook past 80% if it's not near a time where you use your laptop a lot. Now, my laptop came with this enabled, but if yours was either pre-owned or it just doesn't come like that, I would recommend to click on this icon and get it enabled, because it really helps with your battery and it really extends its longevity. So as you can see here, for the battery condition, for mine it's normal and the maximum capacity is 100%. So that basically means that it is at its maximum, and it's just like if you bought a brand new device. And so that's the best it can get. If you've used your laptop for a bit longer than what I have, I've used this laptop for a year for school, and I've been charging it about 4 times a week, and as you can see in here, it's at 100%. If you used it for 3 or 4 years, you could see this percentage starting to drop down, but as long as it doesn't go under 80%, it's not anything that you should be worried about. So now we're going to launch the other app. So we're going to click on done here, and we're going to close this, and we're going to go down here to the Launchpad. And every Launchpad is different, but for mine, to find system information, you go into the other folder that's been created here. And here, amongst all of these apps, there's this app called System Information. So I'm going to open this up, and here, I know that you're probably going to be like, oh my gosh, this is so confusing. I don't understand any of it. Don't worry. Although it is much messier than the System Settings app, it's really quite simple. You just look down to where you find power, and we're going to click on this, and this opens up this section, which is all about your battery and how your laptop gets its power. So we're going to look here at battery information. Here it's just information about the model. However, if we look down here, we're going to find health information. So health information is where we're going to find everything that we need. So here we can see the cycle count, the condition, and the maximum capacity. So the maximum capacity and the condition is going to be just the same as what we found in our system settings app. However, here we also have the cycle count. Now, one cycle is basically when you charge your laptop from 0 to 100%. So although I usually charge my laptop and have it charged between 20 and 80%, one cycle is equivalent from 0 to 100%. So as you can see, I've charged my laptop from 0 to 100% 85 times this year. If you've used your laptop for longer, unless you don't charge it, which that's going to be rather strange, this number is going to go up. And yeah, so that is your tutorial to how you can check the battery health on your MacBook. If you like this video, please consider liking and subscribing as it supports the channel. And I'll be seeing you in my next video. Bye!